So it is a story about a $7 bird. So when I first started, back with pigeons again, around the 2010, I did buy a Veso pair, $50 each. So the hen was 50, cock bird was 50. I think I bought an extra hen. I bought a blue male with white wings, but unfortunately passed away. So I was just trying to find more birds, but obviously not so pricey as well. So I saw this back then. We still had the trading post, was operable. And I saw this with a range of other birds. I went there. It was a massive farm. The dude had to drive like half a K just to get to the front of the gate. He went back, all the way back, then came back with a cage of like 10-15 birds. So this was one of the birds that I picked. And it was a very young bird back then, probably only a few months old. Flew it. Had to fly it just to see if it's going to be something worthwhile to put for breeding. And since then, haven't looked back. I've been trying to breed from it. Great bird. Very happy with it. So I don't know what line it's from, obviously. It does have a crest. That's about it. Love the colours of it. This is the bird that I call crazy colours. So if I say crazy colours, I refer to this crazy dude. So he was paired to a saddle, a Veso cross Tomich saddle hen. A nice smaller little bird. Was making some nice birds, but I lost the hen. The hen is no longer around. So, but I do have one young one from that. So this is what that pair created. Beautiful, pointish, crested, very light silvery body. Not white, it's just off-white, and a bit of silver on the neck. Very light saddle. On the back, that's the hen that they did do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seems to be 12 or 13, just in case one's missing or not. Nice, just a one oil gland. I have two, like 2 little lines. This has got one. Nice hen. So this hen is paired. So this hen is paired to this boy. It's a Veso. Beautiful boy. Nice size. Not that chunky, more streamlined body. Nice. White tips in the end. 12 tail feathers. And again, just the one oil gland. Beautiful. So his mother is the 12-year-old hen, and his father, is this bird here. Besso line. So all of the saddles that I've got have come through him. So at the moment he's paired to the hen that almost got away. So no doubt he's got 12 as well. 12. White tip on the side. Beautiful bird. So the silver hen with that pied boy, so they created, that's what they created. That's one of them. So I got a feeling, I don't know, it's a boy. Could be a boy. Tail feathers. Yeah. Nice bird. So this is the sister. Let's hope it's a girl. So that's the look on her. White pigeon. Just a little bit of colour on the neck. And a couple of the tail feathers. It's a crazy windy day. So no birds are out today. Yesterday has been crazy wind. This one's got 13 tail feathers. Yeah. So that's what that pair is made. So if this is a girl, I'm going to put it back to the grandfather, the crazy colours, because I've got a feeling we might get some whites. That's what I'm hoping. It'll be fun to get some whites off him, or something like this with some nice coloured bars or something. I